Hi there. Now I'm going to teach you how to create your realistic AI video using ChatGPT combined with this website. It's called Deep Brain AI Studios. So technically AI is a trend right now. It's the most hype or most adored topic as of now. AI is everywhere, right? Anyway, I'm going to teach you how to create a live video using it. But first, before we get into that, I'm going to ask you kindly to get a piece of paper and pen or just a notepad to copy or to list down every steps that I do here, because they need to be done accordingly to achieve the best output that we need on our tutorial, right? So please gather it and then let's get into it. First things first is please open the browser of your choice. I'm using Microsoft Edge as of now, and you can use anyone or anything. I mean, you can also use Google Chrome. It's not a problem. You can also use Bing, Mozilla Firefox if it's still here. I really don't remember if it's still here. Anyway, personally I'm choosing Microsoft Edge, and this is the website or URL. It's gonna be www.deepbrain.io/AI Studios !via equals free. Please make sure you completely follow this one, because if you don't follow, especially the last part, the via equals free, you won't get the free trial basis on this Studio AI. Anyway, let's get a brief introduction. What should we expect? What's the benefits of a AI video generator versus the traditional video creation, which is, for example, this news guy right here using a camera equipment. So the main problem is no more need for employment. You don't have to pay extra on your business to get someone use it or read the slides or scripts, right? Equipments and studios are required for this one. There's no any more cost for studios and equipments. Technically, it's just financial aspects here. Now for Deep Brain AI, you can do it at the perks of your home, at the comfort of your home. You just have to be logged in on your computer, you have an internet, something like that. So 3 steps is only basic. Create a project, enter your script, and then select your AI model, which is a few of us here. Let's just check. Explore the avatars right here. Let's check which are there. Okay, I think this is the most common avatar. Its name is, let me check, it already has here. You can even prompt it. So let's try message it later, so maybe we can interact lively with this one. Anyway, let's check the AI. So we have Jonathan, the announcer, Paris, Ruby, Helen, something like that. I think they have someone for Korea here, different language. Perfect. For Korean person there, for every Koreans we have there, brothers and sisters, this is for you. So for Chinese, for Japanese, actually for 3D characters also. You can also create your custom. I think this is for the one you take a photo. Now let's try a sampling one here. Let me just click this one. You can make a free audio with this avatar.
I am an AI human completely created by artificial intelligence.
Let me just check if you can gather that sound.
Videos very easily. Try it yourself now.
Did you guys catch that? Let me try that once again. Let's try Ruby here.
Hello. I am an AI human completely created by artificial intelligence. You can create these videos very easily. Try it yourself now.
Perfect. Now, since Ruby already asked us and Jonathan, let's get into it, okay? So let's just get back to the landing page right here. So first things is we need to log in. Let's log in. I think we need to create an account here. I'm just gonna use my Google account here. Let me just give it a second to load. So you can sign up via Google or log in with their personal account. It's taking so long using Google. Anyway, this should be it. I'm just gonna choose my Google. Again, guys, please choose a valid Google or Gmail address, because technically they're gonna send a code for some of them for verification purposes. Anyway, we're here. We can chat with ChatGPT here. Let's start with this one, since this is the one that I'm teaching you. But there are a lot of templates right here. Solid background, URL, default template. There's also a pre-made templates at the very bottom here, which is for business, beauty, Black Friday. Moving forward, let's go back to ChatGPT. So for this one, we just need to choose a topic. For example, how about global warming, because it's getting hot right now for the summer. Or explain. Can you please explain, since it's a question? please explain global warming briefly. So we won't take much time. So you can also choose from this one right here. There are default questions. For example, 5 ways to improve your B2B sales presentations or business to business. And the second part is select a template. For example, this guy, or I think this is Halin, the one we tried earlier. You can try her template. You can try his template. There's a lot to choose from here. Let me just go for Halin here, and then create a video with ChatGPT. I think it will only take 2 to 5 minutes here. So let's just wait for it, okay? So while waiting, guys, again, please make sure that you have a strong internet connection. As of now, I'm using a wired connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, it might take longer than usual, as I'm doing it earlier, because LAN and Wi-Fi connection are very different. So as you can see earlier, your request has in queue. Since AI is very trending right now, a lot of people are using them. And then once it's done loading, it will take you to this editing platform where you can edit the text, the template, the AI that we want to choose. For example, these are virtual. Let's check this one, Jonathan. Since Jonathan, I think, is the most chosen one on this website, you can also choose Korean. For example, Halin, that's a Korean. This is the Korean one. To be honest, guys, it's just your choice here. The only limit is your imagination. So I'm gonna go back with Jonathan. He seems so professional. Anyway, you can edit how it goes here. For example, as you see earlier, I didn't type this. I know very explaining, I didn't type this. I only type global warming, right? But since we're partnering up or combining it with ChatGPT, GPT or ChatGPT gives up the content, and then Big Brain AI gives up the design. You get it? So the design part is on AI or Big Brain AI, and the content of the design is coming from ChatGPT. So the only part we're gonna give, or the only content we're gonna give, is what topic do we want. It's simple as that. It's so good. So you can choose the slide here as you do on your PowerPoint presentation. For example, this is the first slide, and this is the one that this guy is gonna read, Jonathan. Let me just up my editor. So sorry, your screen recording, so you can hear what Jonathan's gonna say. Okay. So let's just click on this one. I hope it works. Let's try it. I see it's not working. So you can generate your own voice here. I'm gonna check what's wrong here, but it should be reading here. This one, Jonathan should be reading this one. Anyway, let me just get back my account volume here. So from this one, you can also choose, by the way, if you want to read it by your own voice, or you let Jonathan do it. And the second slide is you can change avatar or announcer. For example, you can change it to Jonathan again, or go back to Halin. Now you can edit your context here a little bit. For example, text, subtitles, image, or background itself. Moving forward, you can also add shapes. And give me a second here. I'm gonna check my recording if it's good. Now once here, you can click on export, download the video, and just wait for it to load, and we can check when it's done. I really hope it's doing properly, especially earlier we tried previewing the audio, it doesn't work. I hope now it works. Okay, so again, here the only limit is really your imagination. You can also add new slides here. So it says here you can export with your current subscription. With your current subscription, each video can be up to 1 minute. With up to 6 slides in each project, you can export one project at a time. Would you like to upgrade? How about let's just remove a few slides here. For example, this one. So we only take a minute since our subscription is just free, right? Let's just try this one. I just want to show you guys what the end product here. So I think the subscription here has payment. I really don't know how much, but if you want to try that one, just add your credit card there, or pay via using PayPal, and you can get the limited version of this Big Brain AI Studio. So I think this should be it. Your video is being generated. Let's just answer this. Let's just Google search. How do you define your position? Let's just say other here. What kind of videos do you intend to produce? Let's just say education. Submit. And now we can just wait for it to finish. I think it's still not done. It's still on the editing phase. So let's check. Click on edit here. Okay, I think it's just not done yet. Still editing. We can just wait for it, or you can just download it right here. You cannot still being synthesized. I think it's almost done here. Let's just wait for it for a little while, guys. So as you can see here on the bottom part, there are different templates. For example, this business one mobile for your phone, for your TikTok or IG Reels specifically. This is good. So let me just get back on this one, still 26%. Okay guys, anyway, I think this should take long, and if you guys want to check it, we can just get back to this, or you can just wait for it once you do your own. However, this is the exact process that you're just gonna do. Just follow those steps. This is just pretty simple, and I hope you guys had fun. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.